sila. Yung maligayang pagdating. Thank you, Sir Philip. I'm calling with my friend. She didn't pick up my call. I don't know why. Where is she? She left or what? Because I don't know how to go home by bus. I don't know how to go home by bus. Hi. Thank you. Where is she? What the F?
Sa ano, malapit sa...
Oy, be, asan ka na, be? Bumaba na ba kayo or nasa taas pa? Nandito na ako sa baba. Just walk home. No, we can take a bus and MTR, but I don't know how to go to the by bus. I don't know which the station because I never go home by bus, and when I come here my boss booked me a Uber. And my friend, we are living in the same place, so she said we take bus. I couldn't find her. Where is she? I don't know where. I'm trying to call her. Let me call the another one. Saan ka na uwi, be? Ria. No. This one. Let me call her. Thank you. How many? Oh, already 1 hour and a half. Sir Philip, I will end soon. Thank you, guys. 3 million in the house. I will end. Who's still there? 3 people. Yeah. They're not picking up the call. Thank you.
Oo. Ito ako market eh. Market pa.
Kainit nga eh. Asa na kaya yung kasama ko?
Nawala rin ako.
What the F? She didn't answer my call. I will end soon. Thank you. Where is she?
Sabi ng kaibigan ko, ganyan ko lang gusto. Galingan. Hindi ko alam sumayaw.
Bye-bye. Much love. Thank you, Sir Philip. God bless. Good night. Yeah.
Hindi, wala yung... Di ba yung iba din? Inaano lang yan sa district na na. Puto na ka sa Carmela?
13 million. Thank you so much. God bless everybody. Yeah. Where's my friend? Did she go? 13 million. I'm waiting for my friend. Let me check if she's there. Did she go? Oh, there's still a... Asan si ano? Walang hiya, tinatawagan kita eh. Sabi ko, asan na sila? Kasi hindi ko na makita. Sabi ko, nagsilayas na kaya. Nagtawag ako sa inyo.
Kaya nga, hindi ko nga naalala.
Oo, katawag ako kasi akala ko bumaba ka na. Kanina pa ako dito sa baba. Akala ko na iniwan. Iniwan ako. Going home. Ito. Isa lang.
Hindi ka rin nakakuha ng bagbag.
Wala ako nakukuha, ikaw.
Next week pa daw tayo.
Okay lang. Ano ba yun? Ano ba nagalo? We're going home, Sir Steve, Sir Philip. Uy, may payo. May payo kayo.
Yung stamp mo doon?
Stamp mo daw? Ay, ipasa mo! Kasi hindi ka makakukuha ng regalo pag hindi mo binigay. Dali na. Ibigay mo doon sa ano, sa... Antayin kita dito sa baba. Bilis. Oo, be.
Doon sa may sugar?
Oo, kasi in-announce kanina, naihinga ako eh.
Ako rin, wala rin. Pero binigay ko na yung...
Wala ako nakuha. Alam mo, ang bagal ko kumuha ng damit. Naunahan
Kasi
pa ako
ito,
ng
kasi
isang
yung-
babae.
Kasi yung inunan ko. Malay ko ba?
Aray ko.
Hindi. Pinasa mo